Question 24. What is the value of 0.8 times 0.12? To multiply by decimals, step 1, ignore the decimals, and we do the calculation 8 times 12. You might know your 12 times tables. If you don't, at the side, do 8 times 2 is 16, 8 times 1 is 8, plus the 1 is 9. So we know that 8 times 12 is 96. The calculation that we're trying to do is 0.8 times 0.12. So I'll show you how to do it and then I'll explain why we do it this way. There are 3 numbers after the decimal point here. So our answer, we have to move 3 spaces to the right of the decimal point, or basically make it 1,000 times smaller. So 0.096. We've got 3 numbers after the decimal point, so our answer has to have 3 numbers after the decimal point. Okay? Why is that anyway? Well, the first number has been divided by 10 because it's 1 number after the decimal point. The second number has been divided by 100 because of the 2 numbers after the decimal point. So 10 and 100 gives you 1,000. Dividing by 1,000 is the same as moving it 3 spaces, or having the 3 numbers after the decimal point. So your final answer is 0.096.